Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money from tofro.com in 2025. So if you are thinking of cashing out, here are the steps and the things that you need to watch for. First of all, open your web browser and search for tofro.com. Once you are on Tofro, you need to tap on the login option in the top right hand corner of the screen, provide your login credentials and simply log in into your account. Then tap on these three lines in the top left hand corner and tap on assets. Here in your assets, you are going to see the number of USDT that you have in your account. As you can see, I have currently 120 USDT. Here, if you just scroll down, you will see three different types of accounts that you have, like exchange, trade and perpetual. So you need to make sure that you have the money in your exchange account. If the money is in your trade or perpetual account, in order to withdraw that, you need to transfer it to your exchange account. For that, tap on the transfer option. In the from, select the trade or the perpetual option, and in the to section, simply select the exchange option. Then select the cryptocurrency from this list. For example, let's say you have selected USDT. Afterwards, enter the minimum quantity that you want to transfer to your exchange account and confirm your transfers. Now, once you have the money in your exchange account, simply tap on it. Then tap on the option of withdraw. Now select the cryptocurrency which you want to withdraw, which in our case is USDT. For USDT, you are going to see two different withdrawal networks, TRC20 and ERC20. So select TRC20 because it is going to save you on the gas fees. Then provide the address. So in order to get it, simply open any of your wallets or any of your exchanges, and from there you will get the deposit address. So you need to paste that over here. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw, then provide your withdrawal password and confirm your withdrawal password. Now this is your first time withdrawing from tofro.com. It is going to ask you to first of all set your withdrawal password, which will be different than your profile password. So you need to simply provide that, you need to remember that, and you can use that password whenever you want to withdraw from tofro.com. So this is how you can place your withdrawal order on tofro.com. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel, liking the video and also share it with your friends who needs it. Thanks for watching.